Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2022 Kia Sportage SX. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 2-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities. We have a dual exhaust in the back, rear park sensing, you got a backup camera, roof spoiler with roof rails, mud flaps on the rear and front, some nice silver trim along this vehicle with blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, and over to the front, we got front park sensing, license plate bracket, and that nice Kia grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you tons of storage. You got a floor mat, or cargo mat, not floor mat, more storage underneath with a tunnel cover. You can hook up to those. You got a 12-volt lights, so you can see what you're doing. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage. And to close, all you have to do is hit that button right there, and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look on the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, adjustable seats. We got floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, rear vents, USB and 12-volt with cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, power folding mirrors, Harman kardon sound system, lights, blind spot, lane centering, liftgate, all on your left-hand side. The odometer is sitting at 99,894 kilometers with this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen with paddle shifter, drive modes. You have cruise control there as well, volume, playback, play forward, phone, and to my right we got our gear select. You got park sensing, auto hold, parking brake, hill, with drive modes, cup holders, storage, more storage here with a wireless charging pad if need be, 12 volts, and USB. You do get some storage below as well. Heated and cooling front seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate up front, radio, media, seek track, all your usuals, HD radio and Sirius XM. You got a map or SD card that you can slide in. Storage below, garage door transmitter, SOS services, and above me we got our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. We got navigation, audio, phone, all that jazz. We have our all menu, which is just all your apps, map, navigation, phone, projection, data, services, OVO, all that jazz, maintenance, voice commands, radio, Sirius XM, AM, FM, Bluetooth, all that jazz, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA68699A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.